Tiara, do you know on my FVP there are so many girls stuck in toxic relationship?
Yes, in my FVP too, I see a lot of people stuck in toxic relationship.
Right, some girls even get hit by their boyfriend.
In your opinion, why can toxic relationship happen like that?
I think not everything people call toxic is really toxic because sometimes it's just a misunderstanding or bad communication.
I don't really agree. If that makes you scared and cry every day, I think that's already toxic.
Yeah, but sometimes the girl is too sensitive. A little problem and she say it's toxic.
But if the boy is very possessive, controlling, and gets mad when she doesn't reply fast, that's toxic.
Well, if just a little jealousy, I think it's normal. It means he cares.
It's different between normal jealousy and controlling. If he doesn't let her have friends, let not love, that's control.
But some people say girls now easily say toxic just because the boy is strict.
Strict and rude are different. Strict means you can still stuff nicely. If he is short or even gets physical, that's clearly wrong.
Yeah, if the already physical is totally don't agree. That's too much.
That's why I think toxic relationships are real and serious, not just teenage drama.
But I also think sometimes both our sides are wrong, not only the boy.
Yes, maybe both are not mature yet, but still they're not two reasons to hurt your partner.
So you think there's no good side out from toxic relationship?
Maybe the only good side in the lesson people learn their limits or become stronger.
Yeah, I agree with that. Even it's a toxic, there are still a lesson.
But don't let people think it's okay to be a little toxic because we can learn from it.
True, because the risk is big. It can hurt your mental health.
And sometimes people can leave because they already love too much or are afraid to be alone.
Or afraid the one finds someone better.
But actually, if you stay in toxic relationship, you close the chance to get a healthy one.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Because if it's not healthy, you have to be brave to make a decision.
But not everyone is that strong.
I know, that's why they need support, not blame.
Yeah, netizens are sometimes too easy to judge.
Even though we don't know what they really feel.
So for me, don't usually label sometimes toxic, but also don't ignore the signs.
And for me, in there are dangerous signs, especially physical. It's not a debate anymore. It's not has to stop.
Okay, for the part, I totally agree.
So even if we have different opinion in some parts, we both agree that a healthy relationship is the most important.
Yeah, a little debate is okay, as long as the goal is the same.
Exactly, a relationship should make you feel calm, not scared.